Are these 18-inch VEVOR fans any good, right? They seem like they're too good to be true, so I thought I'd get a set for myself and try them out. I will tell you, I did request them for VEVOR, and they were provided to me to do this video, but they don't give me any instructions, and some of their stuff I really have not liked. Most of it is outstanding quality, and these fans, really good. I mean, I am loving these. This, you're looking at me here, this is definitely an off-label kind of use of this. I live in southern Florida. It is August and it is incredibly hot. And Nikki's gonna have some of her friends over as guests today, and this seating area is wonderful, shaded, all that kind of stuff, but it's still baking in August. And these fans make an enormous difference, and I love that I can take them out. They're really solid yet reasonably light, so it's easy for me to take these out, temporarily install them there, use them for the day, and then they go back into the garage, so they keep me cool most of the time. But I love the fact that they have that kind of flexibility. They are very straightforward. This is an 18-inch fan, 3 speeds. I've had it running this entire time, so hopefully it doesn't sound too loud on the microphone. I can tell you in real life here, it is like just a low fan noise, no big deal at all. Let's turn it up to full blast just so you have the full scope of what it does. That is full blast. I don't know if you can see my shirt. Yeah, I'm sure you can see my shirt. It is pumping out air. I mean, pumping out air, and it is not loud. I mean, it is certainly, look, it is a big fan going 80 trillion miles an hour, making like a really nice breeze. So yeah, there's gonna be a little bit of noise associated with it, but way worth it. Like, it is not annoying or anything like that. It's just normal fan noise, and for this amount of air, that is ridiculously cool. I'm gonna give this an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a great fan, this is definitely a wonderful option.